Hi, I'm Dr. Urvashi Barbhaya, your physical therapist. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go below. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Today I'm going to demonstrate some very simple stretches for hip pain. These stretches, when done on a daily basis, it can also help you in preventing any hip pain in future. These are specially recommended for people who are involved in prolonged sitting jobs, such as desk jobs. If you have hip pain, please don't forget to check out my video on hip exercises that will help you in strengthening the muscles, reducing joint stiffness, and also improve your performance. The link for that I've mentioned in the description below. Today, the stretches which I'm going to demonstrate is also going to help you in reducing the pain, joint stiffness, and also improving the mobility or range of motion in your hip. So let's check out how to do the stretches. So the first stretch which I'm going to demonstrate to you guys is hip flexor stretch. That is for the muscle in front of the thigh here. For that, we will go into this position. For example, if you're stretching the right side, we will go into half kneeling position, keeping the left one in front of us and the right knee bent like this. If you want extra padding just so that your knee is not touching too much on the floor, if you don't have extra padding on the yoga mat, then just you can roll the towel and put it below your knee. And then you're just going to lunge forward like this until you feel a good stretch right in front of the thigh. We will hold this position for 30 seconds and do it for 3 repetitions and then come back. Now we'll do it for the left side, just lunging forward like this till the time I feel a good stretch, and then hold this for 30 seconds and 3 repetitions. If you want, you can also take the support of a cane or just the wall, just so that you don't lose your balance as well. Now, the next stretch which I'm going to demonstrate is for the hamstring muscle in long sitting position. So, for example, if we are stretching the left hamstring muscle, you will point your toes towards you, press your knee a little bit down like this, and then instead of leaning from your back, just keeping your back straight, just lean from your pelvis a little. That is from here. Instead of rounding your back, keeping your back straight, just lean forward into it, hold it for 30 seconds, and we'll do it for 3 repetitions. And now I will bend my left knee here, and then keeping my knee straight and my foot towards me, like pointing towards me. Instead of rounding my back, I'm just leaning forward into it, holding it for 30 seconds and 3 times. You should feel a stretch behind your thigh muscle for the hamstring. Now, the third stretch which I'm going to show you is for the adductor muscles, which are for the inside muscles of the thigh, which is called as butterfly stretch. For that, we will bend both our knees in this position, keeping our feet together like this, and then you can press onto your knees a little towards the downward position, such that you feel a good stretch on the inside of the thigh muscles. Okay, you can try to lean a little bit forward just so that you feel a good stretch and no pain. We will hold it for 30 seconds and 3 repetitions. Now, for the next stretch, we're going to lay down in this position, and then we will try to bring one knee close to our chest like this, such that I feel a good stretch behind. I'm going to hold this position for 30 seconds and do it 3 times. If you have any kind of knee pain, you can try to hold it below here also. Give a good stretch like this, and then the next one. Just go till the time you feel a good stretch and no pain. After this, I'm going to demonstrate the IT bend stretch. For that, you can use a strap like this. If you don't have a strap at home, then you can also use a big towel and then hold it here and then go across like this. Okay, till the time I feel a good stretch at the outside of the thigh. I'm going to hold this position for 30 seconds and do it 3 times. And the same with the left side as well. Just going across such that I feel a good stretch right here. 30 seconds and 3 repetitions. After that, we will try to do a figure of 4 stretch for piriformis muscle. In this, I'm going to bend my knee like this, okay, and I'm going to try to stretch my right piriformis or piriformis muscle. I'm going to bring my knee closer to the chest like this, such that I feel a good stretch in my right buttock. I'm going to show you here so that you can have a better picture as well. So for stretching my left piriformis muscle, I'm going to cross my knee and put it on the right knee like this, taking my hands out like this and going below. You can also press it like this, or if you can reach, then press it like this, such that you feel a good stretch here and no pain. Hold it for 30 seconds and 3 repetitions. After this, we'll go for QL stretch. For that, I'm going to cross my knee like this, and then I want to stretch my right side QL muscles. For that, I'm going to cross my knee like this, go across, and then keep my arm to the side like this, such that I feel a good stretch right here. And then for the left QL stretch, which is this muscle here, I'm going to cross my left knee like this, and then open my shoulder or open my arm like this, such that I feel a good stretch and no pain. I'm going to get a good stretch right here, like this. These exercises can be done twice a day. If you have any questions with respect to the video or the exercises, or you want me to discuss any condition in the future, please do write it in the comment section. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.